How to send email using Node.js? Well, it is super easy and simple to send email in Node.js. Let us get started. I have created here a folder with the name send mail Node.js. You also create a new folder and open it with the code. Open with code. Terminal, new terminal. First, we need to create a package.json. For this, you need to run npm init. The package name. How to send email using Node.js. Version 1.1. Description. Node.js tutorial about how to send email programmatically. Entry point index.js is okay. Test command is okay. Get repository keywords author akionos.com. License MIT. Type, is this okay? Yes. Click on it to open it. Next, we need to install a package called NodeMailer. So npm I for install NodeMailer. So it installed this package NodeMailer with this version. Let's create here a JavaScript file index.js. Mail sender require NodeMailer. Const authentication mail sender dot create transport service. We are going to use Gmail for authentication. User, give here your email or Gmail that you want to use to send email from. In my case, I'm going to use this one, gmail.com, and password. For password, it is best that you use app password, not your regular password, because if other people get access to your regular password, they can sign in on your behalf and use all Google services. But if you use app password and they get access to this app password, they only can send email using Node.js or Python or any other backend frameworks, and they cannot sign in or log in using your Gmail and your app password. So it is the beauty of app password. How to create app password? Well, let me show you. When you're on the first page of Google, you need to sign in or log in, and then after that here you have your Gmail, and you can manage your Google account. Click on manage Google account. To be able to create app passwords, you have to enable two-factor authentication. How to enable two-factor authentication? You can also search, you can also go to security. Here you see two-step verification. In some platforms they call it two-step verification, and in some platforms they call it two-factor authentication. Now as you see, for me it is already enabled. If you haven't enabled it yet, just click on this and then Google will guide you what to do next. It is very simple and easy. And here search passwords. For this you need to authenticate again. Now we are in the app passwords page where we can create app passwords. And for every app password you need to give a name. For example, we give here Node. Create and you get this password. You can see this only once. So copy, come back to Visual Studio Code and paste it here. Mail options from, this is from the user, copy, paste to, this is to the user you want to send email. In my case is akyanus@gmail.com. Subject test email from Node.js, and then the body of your email. This can be plain text or HTML. In this video I'm not going to write any HTML because in case you don't know HTML you will get headache and I don't want that. We only going to use text, but you also can use text inside HTML. You can write here plain text in HTML or use HTML tags and elements. And then new line. This \n means new line. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to the channel. You can always use plus and then jump to the next line and continue writing. Best regards, Akyanus team. Here we can use authentication dot send mail, the mail options, and a callback with whether error or the info. If error, we also lock the error, else we lock the info to see the information. Now let us try it out. Back to the terminal. Node index.js. Here you see response was okay, so our message was sent. And here you see refresh your Gmail or email, and here it is. Dear madam, this is a test email from Node.js. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Here there is something weird here because I used new line here and I don't see any new line here. Let us try it with text. Change it to test2. We only print info.response. Save it, clear, and node indexes. Okay, beautiful. Go back, test2. Now we see the new line in the text. Some security tips. In production, in real application, it is best to create a JavaScript class and put the user and password in a private field. And you can reuse this class over and over again without repeating this part, without repeating this part, and without repeating this part. You see, this is not only secure, but also helps you not to repeat yourself. That's it guys, I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We have published many helpful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, and hackers that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects, and with your everyday life. So watch also our other videos. Enjoy it and have fun learning. Take care and have beautiful times.